Anyway, what we are going to be going into, we are going to be going into the sound-alike competition. So anybody who wants to come up and imitate a character from the Pokemon universe, that includes trainers or Pokemon, come on up to the stage. Come around this way. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There's wait, it's on this side, sorry. Ray Sharam has no sense of direction. It's confusion. Ray Sharam was confused. Yeah, let's go with that. If you believe that, I got a bridge to sell you. Now this competition is going to be graded. We are doing the sound-alike competition, the imitation competition. And this competition is going to be graded by all of you. So pay attention. Is everybody paying attention? Because I hear a lot of chatter. I don't mind applause, but like I said, this is the imitation contest, so you gotta really listen, because it's gonna be you guys who decides who wins this one. So, come on up. You get that one from me. You do one. All right, we have
me.
And you are?
Coughing.
Not bad. All right. And we are going to be listening to
Pikachu. Pikachu.
Creepy and disturbing and cute all at once. All right, and now we have a...
Also Pikachu.
Pikachu. Pikachu.
That was cute. All right, well, now we have a...
Jigglypuff.
Ray Sharam is immune to sleep, but that was really nice. Nice and calming. All right, what do we have? We have a...
Retarded sounding Ash.
Poor Ash.
Keep it PG.
I thought if I left it out in the rain, it would get stronger.
Okay. And here we have a...
My daughter's Jigglypuff. 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 That's all I know.
That was a very brave thing you did. Kudos. All right, what do we have here? We have a...
Zora. Yes. I don't know.
All points considered. All right, we have a...
I'm doing a Shinx. Shinx. Okay.
You want to pat it on the head. Alrighty, and here we have a... Baelish Goldeen. Goldeen. Yay, Goldeen. Not bad. And here we have a...
Pikachu.
Pikachu. Pika. Cha.
Hello, what do we have here?
A Ditto.
Okay, and Darkrai?
Pikachu.
Pika?
All right. Step forward. State your Pokemon.
Pikachu.
Audience's response. Reasonable. State your Pokemon.
Pikachu.
So far, it's a neck and neck. State your Pokemon. State your Pokemon. Someone just took ahead of the race. State your Pokemon. And coughing is blown away. State your Pokemon.
Jigglypuff.
I think you got an A for effort. State your Pokemon.
Shinx. Shing.
It's a valiant effort. State your Pokemon.
Goldeen.
Might want to try that again.
Goldeen.
It's all right, they remember. State your Pokemon.
Pikachu.
All right, I can't come that far. You gotta come to me. State your Pokemon. State your Pokemon.
Pikachu.
And lastly, state your Pokemon.
Rattle!
All right, him and Jigglypuff. No, not you. I'm sorry. I am very sorry to inform you. No, not you. All right, it seems to be kind of a dead heat between these two, so try it again. Tough one to beat, come on.
Rattle!
I think Jiggly took it. It was a valiant effort by everybody up here on the stage. Give everybody a round of applause, please.